Don't. Look, stand like this. Put this foot up here. Put this hand up here. Make a fist. Like that. Block your face. Keep it like that. No, put your thumbs outside of your fingers. Just break your thumb like that. There you go. Keep them up in your face so they don't hit you in the face. And when I go to hit you in the body, you gotta block it. Or you're just going crazy. You beat up like that. You gotta block your stomach. Stomach shots hurt worse than the face shot.
Sneak him. So what are you going to do to kids in school if they try to fight you? What are you going to do? What Daddy tell you to do?
Punch.
Punch them? Hit them hard. What else he tell you? Huh?
The punching.
Take a little shot. Yeah, you're covering that stomach up now, huh?